Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change your Proton VPN password on your iPhone. Let's get started. On your iPhone, open Safari or any web browser. Proton VPN password changes must be done on the official website, not inside the app. Now, in the search bar, type account.proton.me in the browser and log in with your current Proton VPN account. Once logged in, tap on your profile icon or account settings, then go to security. This is where you can manage your password and other security features. Now look for the option change password, enter your current password, then type your new password and confirm it. Make sure your new password is strong. Use latest numbers and symbols. Tap save or update password. You may need to confirm these actions through an email sent by Proton. Check your inbox and follow the instructions if needed. Once updated, open the Proton VPN app on your iPhone. Log out if you were logged in, then log back in using your new password. Now your account is secured with the updated password, and that's it. You have successfully changed your Proton VPN password on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.